What is up, you guys? It's your girl Fantasia here, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So today, as you guys can see, it's a 13x6 frontal, and it's an HD lace. So the hair, I think, is about like 24 inches. I'm not sure, 22. To be honest, it looks pretty long, and yeah, this hair is raw Indian, I believe. I don't remember what he said it was, but I think it's either raw or just Indian. I don't know the difference, but anyways, y'all, so get into this hair, y'all. He just sells the bomb. I will literally put up the textures that he has and everything else, so that that way you guys can kind of see what you guys are getting yourself into, because this is everything. It's everything. I'm so obsessed with this hair, y'all. And I've wore a couple hair from him before. I don't know if you guys remember that red wig that I did. And I've also had this curly bob that I also did, but I didn't post the video on there, but it was definitely on my Instagram. So yeah, like, get into this hair, go ahead and purchase it. And yeah, we had went and dyed this hair jet black, so it's pretty full. It's just giving life. Okay, it's amazing. I'm just obsessed.
It's a million hoes, but only one of you. She a red bone, but my Benji's blue. Ooh, I don't cost a thing, but your smile priceless. I just want your heart if that's what the price is. You deserve the world, the pearls and diamonds. But we living in a world where love is dying. And it's beauty in the pain, you try and keep hiding. A rose from the concrete, I need me a violet. To plant seeds for a future we can take pride in. The past is the past, we on God's timing.
As first, what I normally do is rub my hairline with some alcohol.
But no, we weren't fighting for. She do the most and she want me to do more. I'ma do me, then sweep it a fourth. I'm just trying to provide, stimulate your mind, penetrate your soul.
And then after I do that, I normally go in with my cap and I place it where I really want it, and then I cut the ear tabs off.
Roses are red, violets are blue. In love is war, but we can't be violent too. Hey, when we fight, but no, we weren't fighting for. She do the most and she want me to do more. I'ma do me, then sweep it a fourth. I'm just trying to provide, stimulate your mind, penetrate your soul. Could tell you ain't never had a real nigga to call your own. A man is only
With my Pump It Up spritz, and I spray the hairline, you know, because you want that laid, okay? And you don't want nothing like kind of peeking through your lace or none of that.
She wearing rose gold red bottom shoes. It's 4 a.m., 4 steps ahead of you. A visionary needs someone who see the vision too. She asked me if I really love her, love is difficult. On one condition, girl, your love is unconditional. Fuck all these birds, I just fuck it till she pigeon toe. Then it's back to
So after doing that, you dry it up with the blow dryer.
better hide all your valuables. I'ma stay high, you know how I move. Yeah, heartbreaker, you can ask that hoe Michaela. If you ever fuck with me, little baby, I did you a favor. It's the tree hoes like board games, then I got board games. Worry in my play, you know, foreplay my forte. Fuck her like a porn star, shoot it up in 4K. Beat it till she forfeit, baby, I don't force shit. Even in my forces, full course meal. She in college taking courses. Soul never dies, but she drop dead gorgeous. It's a million hoes, but only one of you. She a red bone, but my Benji's blue. Ooh, I don't cost a thing, but your smile priceless. I just want your heart if that's what the price is. You deserve the world, the pearls and diamonds. But we living in a world where
After you're done cutting that off, right, you're gonna go in with your wig. You want to put it to kind of like measure and map out where and how it's fitting. And once it's done, you just go in and just kind of like add the glue.
no, we weren't fighting for. She do the most and she want me to do more. I'ma do me, then sweep it a fourth. I'm just trying to provide, stimulate your mind, penetrate your soul. Could tell you ain't never had a real nigga to call your own.
But I love Chef.
war, but we can't be violent too. Hate when we fight, but know we worth fighting for. She do the most and she want me to do more. I'ma do me, dance we the fourth. I'm just trying to provide, stimulate your mind, penetrate your soul. Could tell you ain't never had a real nigga to call your own. A man is only judged by the way he leads his home. Can't do that shit alone. Need a queen on the throne or you gon' get overthrown, nigga. Oh, won't fall, nigga. Roses are red.
So today we're actually using some Ghost Bond. So I like using Ghost Bond. I don't ever use anything else. I do have Bold Hold Active, but I just feel like sometimes they don't dry how I want them to dry. I don't know if it's the fake one that I be buying from that store, because sometimes, you know, like out here in Atlanta, like they really be selling stuff like that's not, like, it's just diluted, okay? I don't know what they did with it, but normally they just put some like water or whatever on there, and it's like it's fake. Like, what? Why? If I'm spending my money on this, I want the full product. Like, I want good quality.
Play my forte, fuck her like a porn star, shoot it up in 4K, beat it till she forfeit, baby I don't force shit, even in my forces, full course meal, she in college taking courses, soul never dies, but she drop dead gorgeous. It's a million hoes, but only one of you, she a red bone, but my Benji's blue, ooh. I don't cost a thing, but your smile priceless, I just want your heart if that's what the price is, you deserve the world, the pearls and diamonds, but we living in a world where love is dying, and it's beauty in the pain, you try to keep hiding, a rose from the concrete, I need me a violet, to plant seeds for a future we can take pride in, the past is the past, we on God's timing, roses are red, violets are blue, and love is war, but we can't be violent too, hate when we fight, but know we worth fighting for, she do the most and she want me to do more, I'ma do me, James Weaver the fourth. I'm just trying to provide, stimulate your mind, penetrate your soul, could tell you ain't never had a real.
Somebody's on the lonely one minute, I don't live.
My band, my elastic band, you could get this band at where? At Amazon. I got mine on Amazon. So once you have that band, you just take it and you just apply it on your head, and you don't take it out until you feel that your temple's screaming, baby. Until you feel that pulse on your temple, that's exactly when you know it's ready to be taken off.
Love is difficult. Oh, one condition, girl, your love is unconditional. But God, these birds, I just fucking till she pigeon toe. Then it's back to business mode. Roses are red, violets are blue.
So I had it on for a little bit, and after I took it out, as you guys could kind of see, like I had some of the glue kind of like, you know, lifting and stuff. So I just went and I just kind of sprayed it, and then I redid it again. So yeah, that's really it. You know, it's not really, it's more to it, I guess, if you don't know what you're doing. But once you do know what you're doing, it's the hardest part of it is literally the bald cap. It's just the bald cap. The bald cap is like the most time consuming part of this video, okay?
You deserve the world, the pearls and diamonds, but we living in a world where love is dying, and it's beauty in the pain, you try to keep hiding, a rose from the concrete, I need me a violet, to plant seeds for a future we can take pride in, the past is the past, we on God's timing, roses are red, violets are blue, and love is war, but we can't be violent too, hate when we fight, but know we worth fighting for, she do the most and she want me to do more, I'ma do me, James Weaver the fourth. I'm just trying to provide, stimulate your mind, penetrate your soul, could tell you ain't never had a real nigga to call your own.
But I love Chef.
Roses are red, violets are blue, and love is war, but we can't be violent too. Hate when we fight, but know we worth fighting for. She do the most and she want me to do more. I'ma do me, James Weaver the fourth. man is only judged by the way he leads his home. Can't do that shit alone. Need a queen on the throne, or you gon' get overthrown, nigga. Oh, won't fall, nigga. Roses are red, violets are blue. She wearing rose gold red bottom shoes. It's 4 a.m., 4 steps ahead of you. A visionary needs someone who see the vision too. She asked me if I really love her, love is difficult. On one condition, girl, your love is unconditional. Fuck all these birds, I just fuck it till she pigeon toe. Then it's back to business mode. Roses are red, violets are blue. Real love is invaluable. Better hide all your valuables. I'ma stay high, you know how I move. Yeah, heartbreaker, you can ask that hoe Michaela. If you ever fuck with me, little baby, I did you a favor. It's the tree hoes like boy.
My bad, we on my bad.
Shoot it up in 4K, beat it till she forfeit. Baby, I don't force shit, even in my forces. Full course meal, she in college taking courses. Soul never dies, but she drop dead gorgeous. It's a million hoes, but only one of you. She a red bone, but my Benji's blue. Let on cost a thing, but your smile priceless. I just want your heart if that's what the price is. You deserve the world, the pearls and diamonds. But we living in a world where love is dying. And it's beauty in the pain, you try to keep hiding. A rose from the concrete, I need me a violet. To plant seeds for a future we can take pride in. The past is the past, we on God's timing. Roses are red, violets are blue. And love is war, but we can't be violent too. Hate when we fight, but know we were fighting for. She do the most and she want me to do more. I'ma do me, James Weaver the 4th. I'm just trying to provide, stimulate your mind, penetrate your soul. Cause tell you ain't never had a real nigga to call your own.
But I love Chef.
Roses are red, violets are blue. And love is war, but we can't be violent.